In today's video, we're going to explore how to draw basic shapes like triangles, squares, and circles, and how they can be the stepping stones to helping you learn to draw anything you can. Imagine in 2025, drawing is a fantastic way to express your creativity. Whether you want to sketch superheroes, nature, or your favorite cartoon characters, knowing how to draw basic shapes will help you get there. So grab your pencils, some paper, and let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. It's one of the simplest shapes, but it can be used to create so many different drawings. Now, let's move on to the square. Squares have 4 equal sides and 4 corners. They can be a bit more complex than triangles, but they are still super easy. When you draw a square, think about how it can help you shape a house. To start, draw a big square in the middle of your paper for the house. Now, you can add a triangle on top of it for the roof. And if you want, draw more squares for windows and a rectangle for the door. Look at how you formed a whole house using just squares and triangles. Next, let's discuss the circle. Circles are round without any corners. They're great for drawing things like the sun, faces, or even a ball. Why don't we try drawing a cute cartoon sun? Start by drawing a big circle for the sun. Then add smaller triangles or lines around it for sun rays. Doesn't it look cheerful? By using basic shapes, you've created something fun and exciting.